Welcome to my channel. My name is Lundyn. If you missed my giveaway video, I am hosting a big old giveaway right now, and I thought it'd be fun to get everything that I have in this giveaway and try and do a full face with it. So, for example, I have the Drunk Elephant set that I got at Sephora that I'm putting in my giveaway, and so I'm going to be using the C Tango multivitamin eye cream to kind of show you how everything works. That's how this video is going to go today. Some things I don't have or I can't really try it on, so we'll get to that. So as I said, I'm going to be using the C Tango eye cream first, which is a little twitchy top. I've used this a ton. I don't know exactly how much that I've gone through this, but I really do like this eye cream. It's one of my eye creams that I keep in my constant rotation, but it's a really good eye cream if you want to help brighten, even out your under eyes, like your skin tone, help with dark circles, hydration, texture from dehydration, and it's great to use as a concealer primer because it's a little bit of a thicker consistency and it soaks into my skin so well. Just remember, when you put eye cream on, you want to use, well, I can't really use this, my ring finger. Most people use their ring finger. I use my middle finger to keep it around this area. You don't want to tug and pull around at your skin underneath your eyes. Next thing is my primer. So for my primer, I have the Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40 for the giveaway, and this one is mine. So this is a weightless, colorless, scentless, oil-free formula for a face that smooths the appearance of pores, grips makeup in place, and leaves a velvety, soft finish, perfect for all skin tones. So this is not, I repeat, not a white sunscreen, and it looks like this. But I really like it. It's really interesting. It feels kind of silicone-y, but it really does improve the appearance of pores and lines on your face. And it smells like the Banana Boat sunscreen, you know, that has that like kind of coconutty sunscreen smell. Next, I'm gonna hydrate my lips. So you guys are getting the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and I have mine right here. As you can see, it is used to death. I love this, and what I do is I just get a little bit out on my long fingernails, and I use this in the morning and at night. I use it in the morning like I'm doing right now, like while I'm getting ready, I'll put this on, and then by the time that I'm ready for a lipstick, then it helps to hydrate my lips throughout the day. And I also use it at night to help with my lips at night. So the next thing that I want to mention is I went through my sample size, so I don't have it anymore, but it's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Moisture Mask, and I really like this. It felt really nice. I'm not gonna open yours. Yours is sealed with a plastic bit, and you get to enjoy it all to yourself. So now I'm just gonna do some foundation. So everything that I don't have in the giveaway, I'll be digging into my depotting pile. So this is all the stuff that I'm trying to get rid of and use up. If you're interested in that video, I'll have it linked in the cards as well. Y'all, I'm almost finished with my MAC Pro Longwear paint pot. Lord, I did not know I was ever going to finish this. Oh my gosh. It was like never ending for the longest time. I am finally gonna finish this, but I did get the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the new eyeshadow primer. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. I kind of justified that purchase because I was like, by the time it gets here, I'm gonna be finished with this MAC paint pot, so I use one, get one. That's how I justified it. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I've got so many videos for you guys. You have no idea. Everyone's been coming out with so many things. I'm like, oh, I can't even keep up. So if there's something that you think I missed or that you would like to see a video on, just let me know in the comments, because I am so overwhelmed by all of the new products coming out. I'm like, okay, this is Huda Beauty, Anastasia, like all these people are coming out with so much stuff. I'm like, oh, can I keep up? I don't know. Eyes are primed. Now I'm gonna take my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation. I don't like this because it's broken. I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand. And y'all, my tan is totally faded away. If you missed my video with the Isle of Paradise drops, I got super tan and it's finally faded away. But I've also been trying out a bunch of skincare. I'm also gonna mix in a pump of the Smashbox Studio Skin to kind of neutralize out the yellowness of that Bare Minerals foundation. But I was so tan, y'all, and it lasted for a good long while. I would say a week, but I tried out a whole bunch of new skincare, so it totally rude. It totally took off that whole tan on my face. I am still kind of tan on my arms and my legs, but not at all on my face. So I will say, if you have a pretty aggressive skincare routine, you're gonna be like me, where it's gonna be hard. Now I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Concealer. Click that on out of here. Oh shoot. Oh. I like this Laura Mercier Candle Glow Concealer. I've been using this, like depotting it pretty fast, because I found that since it's a pretty light coverage and it's a little bit more yellow for me, it's a nice kind of color corrector to use underneath another concealer, or just to target under eyes where they're the darkest, because it really helps to neutralize my dark under eyes. So now I have a full-size Cover FX custom enhancer drops for you guys. I'm gonna be using the smaller one. Both of these are in rose gold. So I like to use this a few different ways. Sometimes I'll mix it in with my foundation, but I'm gonna go for a bronzy glow today. So what I'm going to do is I put a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to pat it where I want the most intensity. And then after I'm done patting that where I want it, I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. And it helps to kind of take away that super bronze look. Now I am more fair, and it helps to diffuse it and make it look more like a tan glow. Ooh, 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 look at that shine. Oh yeah. Cover FX does some legit liquid highlighters. They're so pretty. All right, so next up is the Kasha Cheeky Stamp. So I have y'all's here, and we both have the shade number 2 Saucy. So if you like Instagram pictures, then you might like the top of this. I do not, but you basically just stamp a heart on your face, but I find that it dries a little bit too fast for my preference. So I'm gonna take the cream part with a ColourPop dual fiber brush, and I'm just gonna get a little bit and just blend it into my cheeks, because this is like a cream to powder product, so you do have to kind of work a little faster, but it lasts really well and it looks pretty once you get it to where you like it. I will say a little bit goes a freaking long way. Also, are y'all excited for the Jeffree Star lip glosses or what? Oh my gosh, I am so excited for them. Like, when I heard you come out with a lip gloss, I was like kind of meh about it. I was like, oh, a lip gloss. And then I saw them and I was like, I need all of them. I need them all. Why are you making me so broke? I don't know. So that is the Kasha blush. Next, I'm just gonna put a bit of powder on my face. I'm trying to use up the Kat Von D powder. It's getting there, y'all. It's getting there. Pretty dang happy about that. But I'm just gonna set a bit under my eyes where I tend to crease. After I kind of baked where I wanted to, I'm just gonna take whatever's left in the lid on the brush and just dust away and set everywhere that I didn't want to really pack it on. So now I'm trying to use up the Hoola bronzer, so I'm gonna bronze up with this. And then I'm also gonna take a little bit of the Hoola bronzer on an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna put a little color in my crease. Next up is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I am gonna be trying this on my lips, but I want to put a little bit on my eyes. I'm gonna take just a random brush and just getting a teeny little bit, and I want to just place this on half of my lid. Now I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Mint Condition. So this is yours and this is mine. Look at this, holy cow. So first I'm gonna go over the Cover FX highlighter. It's so pretty. So many people are so afraid of this, but I think it gives such a interesting like platinum mint, I don't even know, it just looks so pretty. And then of course I need to put this on my eyes, so I'm just gonna take a flat brush and look at how pretty that is. This is so pretty. So we do have a pop socket. This is not something that I can try out for you guys, but I wanted to mention the pop socket in here. So if you wanted to hold your phone while you're doing selfies, you got it. Next up is mascara. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Voluminizing Mascara. This one is yours and this one is mine. So this mascara reminds me a lot of the shape of the wand of the Better Than Sex mascara, but I like this formula a lot better than the Better Than Sex. I'm sorry. And that is the BFF mascara. I really like this one, to be honest. Like, I feel like it lengthens my lashes and makes them dark and pretty but not spidery. Now for the lashes. I love these lashes. These are y'all's lashes. These are mine. I have used these to death. I freaking love these eyelashes. They're like the perfect length for my eye shape, and I feel like they're gonna be a really good length for other people's eye shapes. So I'm just gonna take my Duo brush on adhesive lash glue. I haven't used this in so long it's hard to open. I've been using my magnetic eyelashes. Hopefully I can get these pretty dang close to my eyeballs. All right, let's get these. For some reason this eye started watering. Oh my god, my eyes are so weird today. All right, one eyelash done. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot how to put regular eyelashes on since I got the magnetic eyelashes, and now I'm having a problem with my inner corner sticking, so I apologize for that. But I went ahead and I did my eyebrows, and I swatched out 3 of the 4 colors that you'll be getting in the giveaway. So I have Watermelon Soda at the bottom by Jeffree Star, Flamethrower by Jeffree Star in the middle, and then I have Griselda by Fenty at the top. And I cannot find my Tarte liquid lipstick in OG, so I don't know where that one went, but I think I want to put on Griselda because I'm feeling a vampy lip with this kind of lighter neutral eye. Ooh my goodness, this lipstick shade, y'all, gets me every single time. And that is a full face of all the giveaway products. Hopefully you guys can see how these look, how they perform, why I like them. I like everything in this giveaway. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to leave me your comments down below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for this giveaway. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for all my notifications for my new videos that are coming out. I'm doing a lot of reviews coming up, so if you like reviews, if you like new makeup, then subscribe, ring the bell. What are you doing? Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.